Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and we're doing another vlog. In this vlog, I am naming the Hustlers vlog. So in this one, I'm going to be showing you like all the ways I make extra money to buy designer things. So I decided just like keep recording when I do stuff. So I actually have, if you haven't seen, I did a Chanel flip video. I'll insert it probably up in the corner somewhere for you to click on it. But I found a new website, the Luxury Closet, and I found some pieces to use for myself, but then I also found some pieces to resell, and I just got another one in, so I want to show you. So here it is. Again, it comes in a really nice box. Open it up. Guys, I got a beautiful Gucci jacket here. It's a reversible bomber jacket. So again, I saw this online. I had some points through them for other purchases that I made. So this cost me $275, and I sent pictures ahead of time to Yugi's Closet, and they offered me for this anywhere between $340 cash to like $450 cash, depending on when they see it, what they think. So I've already made a profit on this of at least $50, $50 to $60. But I'm hoping, based on the condition of this, let's open this up, that I'm going to make about $100 cash money easy. So let's open it up. OMG, guys, it looks so good. Look at this, the details. This is quality, the stitching. Like, if they don't offer me over $400 for this, they be cray, because like it's gorgeous. And then the inside is like this material, so you can flip it over. I don't think I would ever like flip it over to do that, but like, oh, this is so gorgeous. Let's just try it on for, just to do it, right? Okay guys, here it is on me. Again, I'm in yoga clothes, but super cute. This is in brand new condition. Love it. It's just not like necessarily my style of something I would wear. So that's kind of why it's something that I saw for such a great price that I'm like, I could definitely flip it and make a profit. I think I'm gonna make at least, $60 to $70, like easy. This is like an easy flip. And I'm just going for cash, like the fast cash. I could put this on Poshmark to get like more money, but that's just not something I like to do anymore because I don't trust Poshmark at all. So yeah, guys, I will let you know how this goes. But this is like one of the ways like I like to hustle to get some money, is taking my money that I already have and buying something and flipping it. So it's just kind of like doing a stock or an investment or something. And what I like to do if I find a great deal is I buy it. I try to make it something that I do like, so that if I don't make money right away, I can use it. But yeah, this one I thought, no doubt I would make all my money back. It was like a no-brainer. So yeah, what do we think? So I wanted to show you something else that I'm working on for like passive income, just to be able to make money to buy designer things. So, I do YouTube, and you don't really make like tons of money for doing YouTube. Like, I do have ads and stuff, and I do some affiliated links, but I thought, I wanted to do something fun. Maybe I'll make some money on it. Maybe I won't, but it's like stuff that I want to wear. So I'm going to do like a proper YouTube video with all my stuff, but I had some stuff come in, so I wanted to share you. So guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about this, because I did like a soft release of these items on Instagram. So if you follow me there, you've already seen them, but your girl has created merch, and this just came in. Look at this sweatshirt. It says, I got my chic together. Like, how freaking cute is this? And it's super soft. It comes in a bunch of colors. And then I have on the back my logo right there. Yes, guys, I have a logo. And then this also just came in, and these are some joggers that I have. Look at this. So they're like a polyester front, so they're kind of like shiny, and you can get them in different colors. So I got mine in the blue, and it just has my logo like right here. It has pockets, but the inside is like this fleece. It's like super soft. So these are kind of like, I describe them as like boyfriend cut. So like very cute and casual. So I'm going to be about to get, because I'm just wearing this cute outfit today, I'm about to be getting into this stuff. I want to try it on, but I also have some fun stuff. Like I have like towels. I have like just some fun things to like decorate. And like my idea when I was coming up with merch is like I wanted it to be Instagrammable. Like I wanted it to be fun items that don't cost tons of money. I wanted it to be good quality, and I wanted it to be fun and something that you would just like want to Instagram and take fun pictures of and laugh on with your friends about. So yeah, I will have the link for you down below, but this is just another kind of idea. And as stuff comes in, I should be getting more stuff in this week. And I also shared on Instagram some of my friends opening up their merch, because I did send some products to some YouTubers and some of my Instagram friends to try and get their opinions. And I already made some like tweaks and changes to some of the shirts just based on feedback I got. So if you do get something and you have some feedback, I'm always like, I know people say that, they don't really mean it, but I actually mean that. Like I want the feedback. I want to know what you like, what you didn't like, what I should change, what colors, what works, what doesn't work. So please give me all your feedback. A little unboxing for you. I will do like a review on this, or first impressions of this bag, but this is a new place that I'm trying for secondhand goods. This is also from like Dubai, and this is called Luxury Promise, and I got this from a YouTuber. She was doing a 5% code with them, so I will make sure to like put that down below for you, or her link, so that she gets the credit for it. But I have been seeing like ads for this, and I had such success with the Chanel. So this is actually a bag for me to keep. So I got it. It said it was in brand new condition. I got it for, I believe it's under retail, but it said it was new. I'll put all the prices. I don't remember exactly what I paid for, but I'm going to open it for you so you can kind of see. But as I'm said before in all my other videos, like I'm kind of, I like Fashion File. I have a bag that I'm going to get from them, but I'm just kind of like over the prices, like how expensive that is. Yuki's Closet has got expensive. Like all these places are getting crazy. So I'm looking for better places to find like secondhand goods. And I also have, I thought I would go over kind of how I afford these, because I do have 3 bags coming, and I'm kind of doing this in like my side hustles and how I make money. So I thought we'd open this up, I'd show you the bag, and I kind of explain to you how I make money from bags. And one of my most important things that like I recommend that everybody does, but I also do investments. And one of the things I do for my handbag money, so you saw like the previous hustles and things that I do, is I actually put them into a money market account. And of course I do invest in the stock markets, but the stock market ones, I don't really spend that money. That's just me to leave a legacy for my family. So that money's just gonna sit there forever. And when I'm gone, it'll be worth a lot of money, and I won't tell anybody until I croak. They'll realize, oh my gosh, girlfriend was holding out on us. But I like Acorns for like savings accounts. So I'll use that for my handbag money, us just wanting to go to the beach, different things like that, because it's a money market, which means it is bought into the stock market. So what it is, it's done as a group. So you can decide if you want it to be like, I know this, I might be losing you guys. That's why I'm going to show you a handbag. She's talking crazy. I got to show you something shiny. But first of all, let me just show you, like I just opened the box, like a giant box, no tissue paper. So far I'm a little mad, Luxury Promise, because this came all the way from Dubai and it's just like running around in there. So hopefully it's wrapped up well. But what I like to do with like Acorns, it's Snap, and your money is just invested in the stock market as a group. So you don't own individual stock, you just own a portion of a stock. So they invest the money and then you get a portion of the dividends and all that stuff. So I'll show you little clips, like not to like show you all the money I have in there, but you will have like every month, you'll just make money off of it and it'll just keep growing. And then I have a thing that shows, my interest, like what I've made. And I look on there and I'm like, wow, that like I have a good amount of money in there, and that's the money I use to purchase handbags. So I'm not even spending my own money. I only spend the interest. So I have set amount in there that I put in there. So basically I just spend money on my handbags. I've gotten to the point now because I've got really good at saving. Obviously I sell. You saw all my side hustles. So I'll use that money and then I'll also just add it to this account if there's nothing I really want. And basically all the purchases I make are based on interest. It's just interest. And then if I don't want anything, that interest sits there and you get compound interest, which means they reinvest it into other things and that money makes you money. Like, oh, I love compound interest. So yeah, it's just a no-brainer. So if you have a savings account, you're saving for anything, like you have, like anyone, we have like vacation accounts. We have all this different stuff. Like, make sure to invest, guys. Like, invest that money. Have it make you even more money. And then you will just get to the point once I've always been a really good saver, that you're just like, I just take the interest and I still have tons of interest in there. I just took out a little bit and I bought some bags. So, you know, you got to do it. Okay, let's open the bag that I bought with pure interest. And this bag, let me see, I'll set you kind of here. So I used to have a bag by this brand, a similar one, but ended up selling it because I could make more money than what I paid for it. Like, that happens all the time. If I have a bag and I'm like, okay, it's a great bag, I like it, but let me see if I can make money off of it. I usually do it. So this is to replace that bag that I used to have. I believe I had that bag 2 summers ago. So let's open this one up. It is packaged really well, actually. I don't understand why it had that ginormous box, though. Okay, so here is the dust bag. So this is from Loewe. Okay, oh, it came with Loewe bag. It said it was new in the description. It said that it was new, so that's cool. Here we go. So I got one of the basket bags. So the one I used to have was the original basket bag that they have. And I had that in a size small because I figured that makes sense to make it an everyday bag. But you couldn't put it over your shoulder. And you know I'm a shoulder bag girl, and I could kind of fit it over my shoulder, but it was kind of like rubbing like on your armpit. And having basket material rubbing your armpit is not necessarily nice. So let's see. Here it is. Look, it has all the stuff here. So it has the tags, everything. It has, it looks like all the original stuff it came with. Authenticity card here. Looks like the actual tag. So it was 490 euros. So I think it's like, it was around, this bag is around $600 US, something like 6 something. And it's pretty much sold out everywhere. So I believe I got this right around retail with this. I think they had it like listed around $6.50, and then I got the 5% off. So it was just basically right around retail, a little less, but you can't get this one in stores anymore. And I like that it has this adjustable like strap here. So this is on the shortest setting, and that still feels very comfortably on my shoulder. So I'll probably even make it like the longer one for that. And then it is open kind of pit here. But what you do with these basket bags is you take your, show you real quick, you take your dust bag and you put that in the bag like that, so you can't even see it. And then you just cinch your stuff in there. So that's what I did with my other one. So all your stuff is secure in the bag. You don't have to worry about someone being able to reach out, especially when you take it to the beach. But what do we think, guys? I think this is super cute. I like this. Saved a little bit of money on it. I think I got Rakuten with this too. And I love that it came with everything and it had it listed. It was wrapped really well. It came really fast. So I like that. Just the packaging wasn't as like nice as like other ones I've had. So I've gotten Luxury Closet has had the nicest packaging, and I see that they have a little bit more deals, and Luxury Closet has a lot more stuff that comes in. So Luxury Closet is still my favorite, but this Luxury Promise Place, I think it was as described. It's absolutely gorgeous. I saved a little less than retail on here for this bag, so that's always good. And this is one that you can't get. Like this one is not really in stores anymore because I tried to get it because this one has like the black. I don't know if you can see, like it has the black with the brown, and I saw that, I just loved it. And when I saw that I could get 5% off, I could get it just under retail, and I could get Rakuten with it. It's just like, it was like a no-brainer for me because I had been looking for a basket bag and I wanted to get something that wasn't crazy expensive, but that's something that was a little bit more practical. And Loewe bags are amazing. Like this leather, everything is amazing. Even this basket material, like it looks like it is well made. Not seeing any wear to it. I think this is gonna be super fun to wear this summer, a little bit more practical for me to be able to wear it like on my shoulder, because I'm just a shoulder bag girl to my core. So yeah, guys, what do you think about my ways and my hustles to make extra coin? Like, how do you make extra coin? I also do Rakuten, which I've mentioned before. I also do credit card points to put money towards purchases, but these were a couple little clever ways of like my side hustles that I do, which is renting my handbags, investing, and you should just be investing anyway. The stock market is not scary. Sorry if you hear my dryer's going, but the stock market is not a scary place. Like it's not. You can have, I have financial planners that handle my retirement. I have stocks that I personally own. And then I just think Acorns is so easy, especially for people that they just don't want to have to worry about it. Think about the stock market. Bitcoin, like don't invest in Bitcoin. I know I can't give you advice. Don't invest in the stupid get rich quick schemes. That's stupid. Just don't do that. I know you see other people doing that, but it's just not realistic. That's gambling. Stock in the stock market is like being in there is not gambling. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this vlog of all my side hustles. Hopefully it gave you inspiration so that you can start to get, you know, a handbag wall like this. I'm running out of space though. I'm probably going to have to. That's the other thing about renting handbags is it makes it so much easier to like justify keeping them because I'm making money off of them and the bags I'm purchasing aren't really costing me any money. You know, makes you justify having so much more. All right, guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye, guys.